Hello guys, welcome to our channel Rashmi's Art Gallery. Here we are showing some beautiful hand painted blouses. If you are new to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel. Hand painted blouses are becoming popular nowadays. Women are inclining towards our ancient fashion culture. These hand painted blouses make you look different among the people. It signifies your interest towards art and culture of our nation. The prices of the blouses may vary depending upon the designer and the quality of the fabric used. Usually you will get these blouses within 500 to 1000 rupees and online. The art used to design these blouses is Pichhwai art. I hope you all like this collection. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. We will come back with more interesting videos. Until then, take care and have a good day.